I can't believe I just said that. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get this look. I've been loving this natural-ish type of makeup look. It's real easy, real quick, and yeah, let's get snatched. Okay. Keep watching. I'm gonna use the Farsali Facetune. This is gonna help blur out my imperfections. So they say. It's like Facetune in a bottle. I've already done skincare at this point. In the morning I usually do a toner, vitamin C serum, hyaluronic acid, and a moisturizer, and then sunscreen. So that's usually my morning skincare routine. We're gonna go in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I've been applying this first for extra coverage. On work days, I don't usually get a full night of sleep. Usually it's like 5 hours, sometimes 4. You know, like the most I will get is 6, but that's very rare. Already, we look a lot more alive. I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. Been really into this foundation. This is one of my favorites, but this week I've been obsessing over it. So we're gonna be applying this. This foundation matches me really well. I wear the shade G100. It's not really a very heavy foundation, and I'm going for like a medium coverage today. I'm gonna go in with my favorite, the Too Faced Born This Way. I'm freaking obsessed. Love this concealer so much. And I feel like I need a new bottle because mine is running out so quickly. I wear the shade Maple in this concealer. Oh my gosh, this is such a good concealer, you guys. It's so good. I'm gonna just do a little bit on my nose. The thickness of this concealer is so perfect, and I love the shade. I'm gonna blend this in. I feel like it just looks so natural, not overdoing it with the highlight. I'm going to take the Born This Way in Cocoa, and I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. I like to take a smaller brush to do this part to just make it more precise. And I don't always do this step either. It's just kind of like when I feel like it type of thing. I'm just going to tap that in right here. So I've been using the Huda Beauty powder in Canufa, and I love this powder. Every time I go back to this powder, I realize how much I love it. I'm not doing any eyeshadow, so I'm just going to put some right on my eyelid. And then down here. So we're going to let that bake a little bit. I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Goof Proof Pencil in 4.5. No, this is just 4. I don't even know I was using that shade, but I guess I'm using 4. I think I bought this for my blonde hair. We're just going to comb through my hair first. And then we're going to fill that in. So to contour, I'm going to use Mocha Mami from Fenty. I'm going to just... I love bronzer, y'all. Like, bronzer just makes you look so snatched. I love it. I'm gonna add some to my forehead. You know, kissed by the sun or whatever. So I'm gonna use the Rimmel Scandalized Wings mascara. This is a newer one from Rimmel. I don't know if it's in the stores yet because I got this at BeautyCon and she said it was going to be in stores soon. So it should be in stores already, but I'm not sure. Rimmel is killing it. I'm going to use NYX Cold Brew to line my lips. Then I'm going to use this gloss, you guys. This gloss is $1 from the beauty supply store. I saw by Mika on Instagram, mentioned it. I tried it out. Y'all. Oh, this thing is popping. Do you see how glossy this is? Like, do you see it? Since it's the weekend, I'm going to throw on some lashes. I don't usually wear them for work, but I want to throw them on for this look because I want it to look extra, a little extra. I got these Baddie B lashes online, so I'm going to throw these on. So these are Baddie B lashes in Saucy, and I love them. They are definitely saucy. I legit almost forgot highlighter, y'all. Today I'm going to use Blind to Haters from Nicki Minaj. Oh my god. I definitely need some coffee. I'm gonna use Blind the Haters from Ofra and Nikki Tutorials. Okay, so I can't believe I just said that. Oh my gosh. I'm using the same brush because I'm lazy. I don't feel like getting up to get my brushes. What? Shut the front door. What? And then we're gonna add some right here. And just like that, this tutorial is finished. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, girl. Why you not subscribed to my channel yet? Why? I know you've seen 3 videos already. Click subscribe down below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.